When you open the camera of your Samsung phone, then instead of opening, if it shows camera failed or camera not opening error, then let us see how to fix this issue. Now the first thing that you have to check is you have to see which applications has access to the camera. Now because of the application also, there might be a problem in the camera. So go to settings here, go to security and privacy. Go to this option more privacy settings. Go to this option permission manager. Now here you have to go to camera. Now right now you can see all these applications has access to my camera. So what I should do is I should open each of these application and then select don't allow and then select don't allow anyway. So disable permissions for all of these application except camera, and then check if the camera will open or not. Later on you can enable permissions for each application one by one when you need it. The next thing that I will do is I will force stop the camera application and clear the cache files and data for the camera app. Go to settings here, go to apps at the bottom, go to camera. At first force stop it, okay. Go to storage, clear cache files and then clear the data. The next thing that I will do is I will clear the cache files for Google Play services. So again go to settings here, go to apps at the bottom, and from here search for Google Play services. Open it, go to storage, go to clear cache and then clear the cache files. Here I will not recommend to clear the data for the Google Play services. The next thing that you will do is turn the Samsung phone, and if you see there are cameras here. So what I will do is I will press on this area where there are cameras. I will just gently press this part, and next thing what I will do is I will just tap this part of the phone, that is the camera area, on my palm. I will do it gently. Sometimes what happens is the connector inside here might be loose, and when you tap the part where there are camera, then the issue might be resolved. Now the other thing is, if the camera issue has occurred after updating your phone, then you have to wait for the next update to fix the issue. So what you can do is you can go to settings here, go to the option software update, and you have to check if there is any update or not. Right now my software is up to date. Now if nothing works, then the last option for you is to factory reset your Samsung phone. But to factory reset the Samsung phone, at first you have to back up the phone. You can check videos in YouTube about how to back up the phone, and after that what you do is you have to factory reset. You have to go to settings here, then you have to go to this option general management, go to this option reset, then you have to go to this option factory data reset. So what happens is all the applications and all the accounts that you have used will be deleted. So if you want, just select reset and the phone will be reset back to the factory default. And when you are installing, at that time you can restore from the backup. And at the end also, if nothing works, then there might be a hardware issue and you have to take your phone to the technician. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more tips and tricks.